Hello and welcome back to another Cape Coral online tour. Today we are in Cape Coral, Florida. It's a beautiful day. We're going to be showing you this beautiful Gulf access home that has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1 den, 2,466 square feet on the air, and it was built in 2014. It's a 3-car garage, tile roof, very nice home. It's in a very nice neighborhood too. You also have a cul-de-sac over there to the end, so this street is only for local traffic here, so it's very nice. There's Gulf access homes on both sides, so there's a canal on the back of this house and a canal on the back of that house, so that's pretty nice. Okay, let's take a look at this home. As you can see, you're greeted with these 2 beautiful glass 8-foot doors. Okay, let's take a look inside. As you come in, you're greeted with the living room and a beautiful view of the pool and the canal behind. I don't know if the camera goes through the glass, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes you cannot see what I could see, but I'll get closer later so you can see the pool and the canal. Okay, over here you see the kitchen, and back there it's your dining room. So it's an open concept, so it's very nice to entertain people. Has nice crown molding, fan, very nice house. Check out the floor. The floor is also very nice. Okay, so let's start with the master bedroom first, and then I'll walk you around the whole house, and then we'll go outside and take a look at the canal and the pool. Just want to let you know, if you would like to know the price on this house, just go down below where the description is, and there will be a link to the full report of this home. So if you have any questions, you can just look at there. If you have more questions, you can feel free to call us. Okay, so let's start over here with the master bedroom. It's a pretty big size. The way they have it here, it's they got the bed and they got a relaxed chair over there so people can sit and read. Very nice. The room is very spacious. Very nice. And all the way down is where the master bathroom is. We'll be there shortly. So let me show you another nice thing about this. From your bed you have a view of the pool and the canal, waterfront canal back there. You can see it. Let me get closer. See the pool? I think that you can see it. So very nice that you could actually be looking at this view when you're in bed. Okay, let's move over to the master bathroom. So you come in here, you got your hers and his closet. Let me show you this one just as an example here. It's a pretty nice size. Then here's the other closet. And over here is the water closet with a pocket door. So this is a great thing with these pocket doors because they save a lot of space. You don't have to be opening out or anything. So, okay. Let's keep moving over here. Here you got a very nice tub. I like the design they did with the tiles. Pretty cool. Over here's the double sink with granite countertop. And as you can see, it has a pretty nice 10 feet high ceiling. Yep. 10 feet most likely, yep. Okay. So now back here, you got your shower. One of those you walk into. It's very nice. So we keep going over here. You got a towel closet there. And let's take a better look at the shower, or the tub. Okay. So as you can see, the master bedroom and the master bath are very, very nice. Okay, now we come Come over here. Here's where we came in. Check out the view of the doors from the other side. And you have a nice chandelier. Very nice. Okay, over here to my left, it's a den. They turned it into another room. This is not kind of as a room, this is a den, so it does have 4 bedrooms and a den. So, nice size. The reason why it's not a room is because it doesn't have a closet. So they put an armoire over here for that. But, so you could use it as a room or a den. And then you can see the high ceilings. Very nice. And remember, all the doors are 8 feet high, so. Okay, let's take a look at the living room over here. See, it has some shelves on the top. Okay, it's very spacious with a view of the pool, jacuzzi, and the canal. Okay, let's move over here and go down this hallway over here, where you have your pantry. And then you keep going over here, you got your laundry room. Check out the sink from the laundry room with granite countertops and a very nice cabinet. The cabinets are all the same, I think, for the whole house. They're maple. Fun. Okay. Okay, now let's go to see this other closet that the laundry room has. Look how big it is. Nice. And as we go through this door, we go out to the 3-car garage. Sorry, the lighting is not that great. The floor is actually nice and painted. It's very, very nice. And it's a pretty huge garage. Okay. Okay, as we go this way, then we have another closet here, and we have the first another bathroom here. Remember, this house has 3 bathrooms, so that's the master, this one, and another one on the other side. I'll show you later. This nice granite countertop. You see all the cabinets has the soft stop drawers. Nice shower with tub. Very nice. For being 2004, this house is very well kept. Okay, here we go. It's another bedroom. As you can see, they're really good size. Stand over here so you can see. And it also has a fan. Very nice. Now we keep moving. Go on to the other bedroom. It's actually, I think it's the same size as the other one. The closet is a little bit different. As you can see. And now let's look at the closet. Nice walk-in closet. Nice. Okay, here's another closet here. Okay, now let's take a look at the kitchen. Check out that granite, it's beautiful. Nice thing about the kitchen is that it's in the middle. On this side you have the living room, on this side you have the dining room. And you got the view of the pool, the canal. It's a very nice kitchen. It's very nice to entertain. And out there you got your other kitchen, so I'll get that outside later. Okay, let's take a look at the appliances, all stainless steel appliances. Okay. One of the things that is kind of cool is the doors are also stop. You can't slam them. So it's like the drawers. Same thing with the drawers. Soft touch. There we go. So For a person that like to sleep, there's not gonna be no door slamming in this kitchen. So that's good. There's a refrigerator. Look at all the chairs you could put in front of the kitchen here. And the stools. Let's check out the top. Very nice. Okay, now here's the dining room. You can see the dining room also has a lot of space around it, and it has the view of the canal and the pool also, so it's very nice. And it's facing this beautiful sliding door over here that faces to the outdoor area. And we'll get there as soon as we finish with this other room over here. As we come over here, you also have this other bathroom. So this is a pool bath. That door leads to the pool, so that's nice. You have your shower over here, and check out the sink. It's one of those glass sink into the granite. It's very nice. Here's the lighting. That's why the lighting is so soft, because they like it like that. Okay, and we'll check out the door on the top. Glass holes on the top is very nice. And this is the other bedroom. The nice thing about this bedroom is that you have your slider that leads to the pool. And check out the view that you have. It looks like you're on a houseboat. So it's very nice. Here's the bedroom. Stand over here. Having issues here with the camera a little bit. Let me start over here so you see from the bed. That's the view. Okay. Yeah, your closet over here. Okay, so basically that's the inside of the house. It's very nice. Now let's head outside. Check this out. This is what Florida living is all about. So, like our weather does not get that cold over here, you could use this year round. So let me get you a look around here. You have your outdoor kitchen, granite countertop, you got a refrigerator, and your sink, and your barbecue. Very nice. And as you're here, you have a view of the spa and the pool. The pool is a pretty nice size. It's not a little pool. It's pretty big, and you got a lot of space around the pool. Let's go on the other side. You got a shower outside, so if you feel hot, you can shower yourself out here. That's the entrance of the pool bath. And this is an area where you can just sunbathe and relax. Check out. This is that other room, the slider for the other room. As you can see, they got shutters. I think most of the house, I think, has impact windows. I think all the windows are impact. I don't know about the sliders, but something you will have to check later. But it has the shutters that covers all that area there. All that closes up with shutters, and then this door here closes with shutter. So it's very nice. So now let's take a look at the canal. Before we go there, let's see. Look at this, the equipment. Here you got the AC. Thing is, you got the AC over there, the water pump, and this is the heater for the pool and the spa. Everything located right there. Very nice. And here we go. here's your canal. As you can see, it's a pretty wide canal. They say it's only one bridge out to the Gulf, so you've only got one bridge and you are on your way to the Gulf. Well, I guess that's all for this nice, gorgeous home. If you have any questions on this home, remember in the description below, you have the full report. If you have any more questions, feel free to call us, contact us on this or any other home. And if you would like to, if you're searching for homes in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to give us a call. I mean, if you can't come right now, we can actually do a tour for you. So feel free to contact us. And remember, subscribe. I'll be keep putting more tours every week. So I think last week I put 3 tours. I'm having a lot of subscribers that want more tours, so I'm trying to give them as many as I can. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this incredible home, and see you on the next tour. Thank you.